Welcome to this in-depth summary of Atomic Habits by James Clear, one of the most powerful and practical books on building good habits and breaking bad ones. In this video, we'll explore the key ideas, real-life examples, and step-by-step techniques that can help you transform your life, one tiny habit at a time. The main idea in Atomic Habits is simple but life-changing. Small habits lead to big results. James Clear explains that habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Just as money multiplies over time, the effects of your habits multiply as you repeat them daily. Whether you want to get fit, write a book, or save money, the secret is to start small and stay consistent. It's not about making huge changes overnight. It's about improving by just 1% every day. Let's look at real-life examples of tiny habits. Imagine brushing your teeth every morning. It's a small action, but over time, it keeps your teeth healthy. Doing 2 push-ups a day can lead to building a workout routine. Reading just 1 page each night can lead to finishing multiple books in a year. Tiny habits like these prove that small steps really do add up. James Clear describes how habits work through a simple 4-step loop. Cue, a trigger that tells your brain to start a behavior. Craving, the desire or motivation behind the habit. Response, the action you take, the habit itself. Reward, the benefit you get that makes you want to repeat it. Understanding this loop helps you build good habits and break bad ones. Let's break it down with a simple example. Your alarm rings. Cue. You crave feeling awake. Craving. You drink coffee. Response. And you feel alert. Reward. This creates a habit loop. The more we repeat the loop, the stronger the habit becomes. Learning to control the cue and reward can help you control the entire habit. James Clear gives us 4 simple laws to follow when building a new habit. Law 1. Make it obvious. Design your environment to make the cues of good habits visible. For example, if you want to eat healthy, put fruits on the kitchen counter. Law 2. Make it attractive. Bundle the habit with something you enjoy. For example, only listen to your favorite podcast while working out. This makes the habit more enjoyable. Law 3. Make it easy. Start with habits that are simple and quick. Want to start reading? Begin with just 1 page per day. Lowering the difficulty makes it more likely you'll stick with it. Law 4. Make it satisfying. Immediately reward yourself after completing the habit. For example, track your progress on a habit tracker or celebrate small wins. The sense of achievement keeps you motivated. People often make common mistakes when building habits. They start too big, rely only on motivation, or give up after missing a day. James Clear reminds us that missing 1 day won't ruin your progress. The key is to restart quickly. Focus on building consistency, not perfection. To break bad habits, James Clear suggests doing the opposite of the 4 laws. Make it invisible. Remove cues that trigger the bad habit. For example, delete social media apps if you want to reduce screen time. Make it unattractive. Focus on the negative effects of the habit to reduce your craving. Make it difficult. Add steps that make the habit harder to perform. Make it unsatisfying. Add immediate consequences to the bad habit. This approach weakens the habit loop and helps you gain control. Another proven way to stick to good habits or break bad ones is by using accountability. When you have a friend, coach, or group checking your progress, you're more likely to succeed. Accountability partners can motivate and keep you on track, even on tough days. One of the most powerful lessons in Atomic Habits is the idea of identity-based habits. Instead of focusing only on the result, James Clear encourages us to focus on who we want to become. For example, don't just say, "I want to read more." Say, "I am a reader." When your habits become part of your identity, they are much easier to keep. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you want to become. Small wins build up your new identity and make habits stick. Let's see what identity shifts look like in real life. A person who quits smoking and says, "I'm not a smoker," instead of "I'm trying to quit," is making a more substantial identity shift. A person who says, "I'm a runner," instead of "I run sometimes," is more likely to keep running. These small language changes can lead to significant changes in behavior. James Clear shows us that the environment matters more than motivation. When you design your surroundings to support your habits, success becomes easier. If you want to practice guitar, keep it in a visible place. If you want to drink more water, keep a water bottle on your desk. Change your environment and your habits will follow. Let's look at real success stories. Some people improved their health simply by rearranging their kitchen to make healthy food more visible. Others created better study habits by setting up dedicated study spaces. Small changes in your surroundings can make good habits almost automatic. Another key lesson is that goals are good for setting direction, but systems are better for making progress. Instead of focusing only on goals like lose 10 pounds, focus on the daily systems like exercise 10 minutes a day. Good systems create long-lasting habits that lead to success without constant willpower. Even world-class performers use systems, not just goals. Athletes focus on their daily training, not just winning medals. Writers focus on writing a little each day, not just publishing bestsellers. By trusting the process, they reach their goals naturally. Let's quickly recap. Small habits lead to significant results. Follow the 4 laws. Make it obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. To break bad habits, reverse the 4 laws. Build identity-based habits to create lasting change. Shape your environment to make good habits easier. Focus on daily systems, not just big goals. Atomic Habits teaches us that real change comes from the small decisions we make every day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really helps more people find this content. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you think someone else would benefit from this message, please share it with them. It might make their day. Check the links in the description to get your book copy and other useful resources. Your support means the world to us. Let's grow this community together. See you in the next video.